So first you're going to start off by boiling your jazzy lupini shells. And then in a separate bowl, add your whole milk of ricotta and some Parmesan cheese. And then add some spinach after draining 3/4 of your pasta water and let that cook down. And then going back to the bowl, you want to add some lemon juice, salt and pepper, and then some lemon zest. And then you also add minced garlic and your olive oil. And next you mix that together and combine it really well. And then add that to your pasta and spinach. And then you can stir it up, and the water's going to help make a really nice creamy sauce. Next, serve it up in a bowl and add Parmesan cheese on top.